right, Mike Kinderleiter here with PowerWash.com and PowerWash University, and we have Sap-IT here. This is a great roof washing surfactant that you add to your bleach. One of the nice things about adding a surfactant to your bleach when roof washing with Sap-IT is that it has an awesome cover scent that smells like cedar or pine. And a lot of customers like that. A lot of the contractors that buy it like that scent. So it's a matter of preference, but it works really good. And it has a really high foaming agent in it, so that when you spray on the roof, it slows the evaporation and slows down the runoff as it comes down the roof. So Sap-IT, a great product for roof cleaning. You can also do it for house washing and siding as well. You just cut it back so it doesn't foam quite as much. So that's how it works. If you got any questions, give us a call. Let us know, we'll be happy to answer.